Hey, this is Jake with MacHeads 101. It's going to be another Java tutorial, and today I'm going to be giving you an intro to using multiple classes, and I'm going to be making a couple more tutorials on this, but it's just going to be an introduction. So the first thing we have to do, obviously, is actually create a new class. So File, New, Class, and that's source folders, the projects, which was our project, and name, and I'll just call it second because I don't really need to call anything else. Alright, so this is our second class, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a method in here. Alright, and then I'm going to be able to call that method in this class, and I'm going to show you how. And we're not building a main method in here because Java actually runs from this main method, and in this main method we're going to be calling a method from this class. So I'm just going to make a very simple method, public void, and I'm going to explain what all this means, print, and I'm going to call it print. Alright, public means it is a public method, which means I can use it, this class, all the other classes have access to it. If I made it private, I would not be able to call the method in this class. Void means it does not return a value. As in, if I had something like public double, I would have to make it return a double, so like return 18. And then I could, when I called that method, I could set a variable equal to that because it was returning 18. But void means it's not going to be returning anything because all we're going to do is printing. And I got a little ahead of myself there, so I apologize. But system.out.println, and in here I'm just going to be writing hello world. So I can't think of anything better to write. Alright, so we have a method called print. So the first thing we have to do here is create an object for the second class. So second, and I'll call it S, equals new second and empty parameters. Okay? So now we have a an object, and in order to call a method, we do that from that class. We do that object dot, and our method name was print, and it took no parameters. And so if I run it, it calls that print method, and it prints hello world. Alright, and so that is just a really quick introduction to using multiple classes. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to be getting a little more in depth. I'm going to be talking about methods that return values, methods that take parameters, possibly setters, getters, and constructors if I have time. So I'll see you then.